morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well this July 3rd, this Sunday morning. And today in our devotional, it says, insight into the joys of life. So let's see what Scripture says about joy. Proverbs chapter 5, verse 1 and 2. My son, pay attention to my wisdom. Turn your ears to my words of insight, that you may maintain discretion and your lips may preserve knowledge. Proverbs chapter 7, verse 4. Say to wisdom, you are my sister, and to insight, you are my relative. Philippians chapter 1, verse 9. And this is my prayer, that your love may abound more and more in knowledge and depth of insight. 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 7. Reflect on what I am saying, for the Lord will give you insight into all things. Psalm chapter 119, verse 99. I have more insight than all my teachers, for I meditate on your statutes. 1 Kings chapter 4, verse 29. God gave Solomon wisdom and very great insight, and all breadth of understanding as measureless as the sand on the shore. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 2 through 5. Tune your ears to wisdom and concentrate on understanding. Cry out for insight and ask for understanding. Search for them as you would for silver. Seek them like hidden treasures. Then you will understand what it means to fear the Lord, and you will gain knowledge of God. And at the bottom, it says, a person with wisdom and insight is a precious gift to their family and friends. Wisdom is to identify the puzzle pieces, and insight is knowing how to put the pieces together to complete the bigger picture. This picture also brings joy and hope to others. Through your relationship with God, you receive the gift of wisdom, which brings joy and impacts your life positively. It also influences your way of thinking, speaking, and acting. And that is a really good devotional this morning. And that is something that I say right here. That's something I say a lot about us all having a puzzle piece. And we need to come together and put that puzzle piece together. I really, truly believe in that. And that is a really good devotional. And that encourages me this morning that I'm on the right track. And I just don't talk to hear myself talk. But yeah, that's encouraging for me this morning. And I hope it is for you too. Knowledge brings wisdom and joy. Then you'll have the joy of Christ, the joy of God. But I won't keep you all too long this morning. Meditate on them scriptures this morning. And of course, I'll post it at the end. Meditate on them this morning. And hopefully you find that joy too. I love you guys. And have a very blessed Sunday. Be safe on this Independence weekend. And of course, I will be doing a devotional tomorrow, regardless of the holiday. I do one every morning. I love you guys. And stay focused on God, even during this holiday. I know a lot of people have friends and family over, cookouts going and everything going on. Stay focused on God. Get up early if you have to. And just read His Word and meditate on Him and talk to Him before your day gets started. And it'll go a lot better. I love you guys again. And as always, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. The link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.